We'll see how selection sort algorithm works. So selection sort algorithm works by repeatedly selecting the minimum or maximum element and putting them into their correct position. For example, if you want to sort the array by ascending order, you choose the minimum element, or if you want to sort the array by descending order, you choose the maximum element. So let us see what are the steps of the algorithm. Step number 1. You should consider the complete array is divided into two subarrays. A. Sorted subarray. B. Unsorted subarray. Let the initial size of sorted subarray is equals to 0 and the initial size of unsorted array is equal to the size of the array. For example, here it is 4. Step number 2. You have to find the minimum element from the unsorted part and replace it with the head of the sorted subarray. For example, if you see this array, 21 is on 0th position, 14 is on 1st position, 81 is on 2nd position, 9 is on 3rd position. Out of all these elements, 9 is the minimum element. So we interchange the position of 9 with the head part, which is 21. So 9 will come to 0th position and 20 will come to the 3rd position. Coming to step number 3, you have to increase the size of sorted array by 1 and the remaining part will become the unsorted array. So since initially the size of sorted array is equals to 0, if we increase by 1, the size of the sorted subarray will become 1. The range of sorted subarray would be 0 to 0 inclusive, and the range of unsorted part will be 1 to 3 inclusive. Step number 4 is to repeat step number 2 and step number 3 for n-1 times, where n is equal to the length of array, or until the size of unsorted array becomes 0. So this way we have completed one iteration. Now let us complete this iteration by 2 more times. So total 3 times our iteration will be completed and our array will become sorted. Coming to second iteration, this was the last state of our array. The range of sorted subarray is from 0 to 0 and the range of unsorted array is from 1 to 3. So after repeating step number 2 and step number 3, first we will choose the minimum element out of all these 3 elements. So out of 14, 81 and 21, 14 is the minimum element. So we will replace 14 by its own position. So there will be no change in the elements of the array, but we will increase the size of sorted subarray. So now the new range of sorted array will be 0 to 1 and the range of unsorted array will be 2 to 3. Moving on to the n equal to third iteration, we will find the minimum element out of 81 and 21. So obviously 21 is less than 81, so we will interchange the position of 81 and 21 and increase the size of sorted subarray. So the new range of sorted subarray is 0 to 2 and the unsorted subarray have the range 3 to 3. So as you can see, our array becomes sorted. So if you do this iteration one more time, then this 81 will also become the part of sorted subarray, which is completely optional. As we can see, our array is fully sorted. So coming to iteration number 4, even if we do repeat step number 2 and step number 3, there is still no change in the array and our array becomes sorted. So this way you can use selection sort algorithm to sort the arrays. Thank you.